What is up, guys? So today I'm going to be going into the video that I explained in the last video, which is how to sell non-hype sneakers. So basically in this video I'm just going to display all the techniques that I use to make money while selling non-hype shoes. I don't do this too often anymore, so I'm literally going to show you everything that I do. Now keep in mind, this does not make nearly as much money as someone who might backdoor shoes or get bulk on hype drops, but this is way easier. You don't need to stay up at all, nothing like that. So I'm gonna open up Chrome. So the number one resource that I look for deals has to be r/sneaker deals. So here people post it, it's all user generated. And so recently Adidas had a really great sale, which was like the friend sale. Too bad some of it's sold out right now. But yeah, so basically what I would go on is, so I was on the site and I found that this was a good shoe that I wanted to sell. Only $126, plus there's another code where I could get a 20% off. So I would add this to my bag. There's only size 8.5 left. So then I go here, and then it would, after using the code, it would cost me $100.80. Now after this, what would happen is, in order to find if this product actually sells, is that I would go onto GOAT, and then I would open it up, and then I would check to see when's the last time it sold and how much it sold for. Now after going to GOAT, I saw that it only sold for $150 last time, but right now it's on sale for $100. Since it's going to cost me $100.80, this isn't profitable. Keep in mind, this sale is basically over, but a lot of the time you will be able to find great deals ahead of time, and then you'll be able to sell them on platforms like GOAT and eBay. So for example, when I go to my eBay, these shoes I got from a deal, these shoes I got from a deal, these shoes I got from sniping on eBay, and these are all shoes that I didn't have to work at all in order to get. The best deal I got from this subreddit was probably about like $5 cleats, and I sold them each for about, I want to say $90. So yeah, I made $360 from that, and it literally cost me $20. Now if you look here, there's a bunch of great deals, but this isn't the only place that you can get steals. Now another way you can get steals is through Instagram. So if you look at my following on my OneSpam account, these are a bunch of profiles that actually post deals. So let me just go into one of them right now. I'll just actually open up a couple. So like, see, their entire job is to post deals for you in order so that you can find good shoes to sell. Now, not all of these are going to be great deals. I have bought in shoes that haven't sold, and like I still have. But a lot of the time they do actually post great deals where you can sell them. So you can see all these hype shoes, pretty good prices. Like look at these, the origin story is only $190. Like these are insane. So yeah, just if you want to be but keep in mind there are a lot of people that try to snipe these. So what you want to do is you want to keep on notifications and then just be ready. So just if you're on your phone, you see a notification, just make sure to check it out. If you think it might be profitable, go for it. That's how I got a bunch of the shoes. And there's definitely a lot of profiles. They do stay on private, and then they have other accounts where they actually sell memberships in order to get like the really, really great deals. But if you become really serious about it, that's what you could do. Now, as for selling, eBay works pretty well, but I actually love GOAT, mainly because you can see all the histories, and then you could sell it without any work, really. You don't need to make a description. You only need to take a couple photos. You could also do it on StockX, but I'm not a really big fan of StockX. Also, I've been banned, so yeah. And yeah, another way that you could also just easily sell non-hype shoes is go to Marshalls. There's literally like millions of videos on it, and all you have to do is go to Marshalls, bring out eBay, check the sales history, see if the shoes are profitable, and then sell it on whatever platform you think it'll do best. I've made probably like $1,000 just from doing that with like only a couple hours work. So yeah, just you are going to need some capital, but besides that, this is a really simple process. Like right here, I'll go into right now. So this is $108 for this Ultra Boost. There's okay, decent. I usually go for size 10, so add it to my bag. Go to checkout. Let me actually remove the shoe from before. Normally I would end up actually buying more than one, so this still works. So code friends. Oh, it actually looks like the code expired, but 120. That's $172. So that means I'd be paying only $86.40 for each of these. Now with that, if I check GOAT right now, and the last time it sold was the 8th, so that's actually not that bad considering it's the 15th right now. So right now the lowest price it's listed for is $180, which would mean that if I listed it for, let's say, like, let's lowball them, like $140, I would make $121, so I'd make about $40 off of that. And yeah, there's literally no work into it. So yep, sorry for all the pauses, and this is kind of like one of my first videos. But yeah, that's basically all I do in order to sell hype shoes. Thanks for watching.